Here's another way of using, in this case I'm going to use the thick CA glue as using it as a clamp. And what I'm going to do, I want to glue, for example, this board to this one, and maybe I don't have a clamp, or maybe it's some kind of an awkward clamping situation that I can't get into or can't get a clamp into, but I'm going to demonstrate how you can do that. So in this case, what I'm going to do, I'm going to draw a line all the way around just so I can mark. And what I'm going to do on here, I'm going to run a bead of ordinary carpenter's glue, and I'm going to put it on fairly thin, not real thick. Then I'm going to take a little bit of glue and just put just a dab of CA glue on either side. And now what I want to do, I'm going to put a little bit of accelerator on each end of my top wood, and when that goes on, it will bond, and that's it there. That's bonded now, so that both of these sides are bonded, and the glue in the middle, and you can see that there's a little bit of squeeze out there. That glue in the middle is going to continue to cure, and now I've got something that I could actually move around and do something with while that carpenter's glue, the yellow glue in the middle, continues to dry and harden. Great way of doing quick clamping jobs.